Hello, welcome on Ladder. I'm Snehal. Today we'll see what is Boolean expression and how to execute that in Python. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and share my channel. So Boolean expressions are the expressions whose answer is either true or false, and we will use these operators in Python to execute Boolean expression. So let's use command line prompt and see. So you know now how to start with Python in command line. Let's start using first operator, that is equal to. It will check if first and second operands are equal. See, answer is false. If I use, answer will be true. Similarly, you can try all the operators which are in the chart which I have shown to you. I will show you one more example. A is 89 and B is 89. A is B. You will get either true or false. You will not see anything other than that. Even if I try A, it's greater than B. See, false. Now let's try string data type. I have a variable n which I have assigned to one string, and I have another variable which I have assigned to Python. Let's see, are those equal or not equal. N is not equal to m. As n is not equal to m, result will be true. Or if I can try n is equal to m, it should be false, right?